What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook. Hope you're having a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. All the trades taken last week, plus trade breakdowns for these. All right, y'all. Now, this is your first time on our channel. Welcome. I appreciate giving this video a chance. Make sure you hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly trade breakdowns or recaps starting this week, but we also post day trading tips, stock analysis, crypto analysis and plays, as well as we live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 of EST on this very same channel. So we show you not only how to make active income, but as well as passive income, meaning making money on the front end, as well as the back end when it comes to investing and on these charts. So you can see, as you can see right here, we went absolutely crazy last week. You go into the free signal, free Telegram, you're going to see February 16th. You can see we ended the week 4-0, giving us a 100% win rate. Monday, we caught 127 pips. Tuesday, we took 0 trades. Wednesday, we caught 50 pips. Thursday, we caught 119 pips. And then Friday, we caught 30 pips, y'all. Again, not only did all these trades we talk about in the Sunday chart analysis that we drop at the beginning of every week, going over not just what we see price doing Sunday going into Monday, but what we see price doing throughout the entire week. But we also broke these down as well as some of these trades we entered during the London session lives. So let's go ahead and go into Monday. So Monday, GJ, all TVs got hit. We caught 127 pips. Right. You can see the screenshot of the position entry SL. Right. You can see the TPs getting hit, the reactions, and then we can see the date, the 10th. So we go to February the 10th. We can see on Monday, we did indeed, in fact, take this setup. And we also broke this down and entered this during the London session live. This was a nice 1-to-2, almost 1-to-3 risk reward ratio setup. So that means whatever we risk, not only did we catch 127 pips, but we almost made 3 times whatever we risked, right? So we risked $100, we made $260. We risked $1,000, we made $600, right? That's how that works right there. So then let's go into Tuesday. Again, we didn't take any trades Tuesday. Now, why did we take this sell setup? Well, when we look to the left, we can see that price has shown us clear bearish momentum and was pushing. And of course, the week prior to last week, we also took a beautiful sell on Thursday and Friday. So after we saw price retrace and maintain hold this level as resistance, again, if we're in a downtrend, we're going to continue to look for sells. So this was a pretty simple setup right here. All right, y'all. Now let's go into Wednesday. So then Wednesday we caught GP New Zealand buy, TP6 got hit, we caught 50 pips on that, right? So let's go ahead. We see this was the February 12th. We go to GP New Zealand, and we can see here on the 12th, we took this trade here. Now, why did we take this setup? Again, same thing. We was catching buys before, but then when price failed to break this resistance level, when it retraced to retest this level, we see it failed to hold as support, which is why we didn't pull the trigger here. And we see price started to treat this level as resistance, then drops back down. But after we saw price continue to maintain and hold this level as support, and we saw price push and break back above and retest this level, that's when we pulled the trigger to go for the buy. Now, let me show you this actual trade. So give me 1 second, y'all. So now we're in advanced price signal room. Again, this was GPJPY. New York price watches. We drop this every day, going over the trades for in as well as other possible setups going into New York session. And then we can see on the 12th, we took this GN setup, right? So you see we entered this during London session. You can see TP6 got hit. So after TP6 got hit at 9:06 a.m., we go to 9:06. We can see here, this is 9 o'clock. Price retraced, maintained hold this level as support. So I made some money, got wicked out, then re-entered. And then later on that night, as we can see, the final TP got hit, right? And this was right before London session popped off. So we caught a nice 1-to-1, and then we caught a nice, beautiful 1-to-3 short ratio setup when price went and did the full move. And that brings us into Thursday. So let's go back into the free signal, free Telegram. We scroll. We look at Thursday. We see this is the same screenshot. You see the signals. See, we caught 119 pips. So not only was this a beautiful 1-to-3 risk reward ratio setup, but we also caught 119 pips on top of that. And then that brings us into Friday, which was GPJPY. We took another beautiful buy setup. TP4 got hit, got 36 pips. This is what it was looking like. Did a nice move, did a retest. Then it broke past those highs to the left. Now, I didn't hit all TPs, as you saw. It just hit TP, what was it, TP4, TP5. And we can see that right here, right? So again, it's exactly the same screenshot from the retest push up, which was this right here. But then as you can see after that, it ended up rejecting that level, y'all. So this was a nice 1-to-1 ratio setup as well. So that's how we ended last week, y'all. We went 4-0. Again, we go live every day, London session 3 of EST on this very same channel. If you're interested in the signature service, my mentorship program, or learning how to identify these levels, make sure to hit those links in the description, y'all. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long. But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.